Look at this nasty looking guy. So let's move all of these negative exponents first. All right, again, I'm going to simplify what's inside the radical before I do anything else. So it's going to be 8x to the fourth. Those are both gone, but I brought a y to the third to the top. We got 27x squared, y to the fourth, z to the third. Hang on. Yeah, that's fine. Z to the third. And I also have a z to the fourth. Just be careful when you're moving things that you're paying attention to where everything is. The top had an 8 and an x to the fourth, and I brought a y to the third up. The bottom had a 27 and x squared and a z to the fourth, and I brought those two down. Okay. And let's look here. So I've got these two that can combine. So I'm going to get third root 81 x to the fourth, y to the third over 27 x squared, y to the fourth, z to the seventh. Add the exponents because you're multiplying. Then I got some divisions to do. Those will divide. Those will divide. So I'll have third root 81 x to the second. Subtract the exponents because you're dividing. Y to the negative 1 over 27 z to the seventh. I don't like that negative exponent, so I'm going to kick him back to the bottom. And I'm going to get third root 81 x to the second over 27 y to the first. I don't have to put the first if I don't want to. Z to the seventh. All right, so I get that. Now let's take it out of the radical. So 81 gets a fraction. X gets a fraction. 27 gets a fraction. Y gets a fraction. Z gets a fraction. Third root, so the bottom of each fraction is a 3. 81 had no exponent, so it had a 1. The x had a 2. 27 has a 1. Y has a 1. Z has a 1. All right, and then I just got numbers that need to go together now. So I'm going to take the calculator and just put those guys in there. Let's see what we got here. 81 to the 1 third. 27 to the 1 third. Ah, it gives me something ugly. What's this? First time that's happened. 81 over 27. It's just 3. Okay, so something a little different here. I haven't had that happen before. Um, so I got a decimal which shouldn't happen. All right, I got a decimal which shouldn't happen. So in that case, I guess I should have put that into the calculator first, and then what that would have done would have just given me a regular old 3. All right, so this would have become just a 3 right here. So it would have been 3x squared over yz to the seventh, and then this would have given me 3 to the 1 third like that. All right, for what we're doing, that'd be totally cool to leave. All right, and that's fine. We're not going to talk anymore about it. That's what you should have for an answer to the question.